There are a lot of great videos on YouTube on how to get your first 1000 subscribers. However, I feel those videos are talking about things that are pretty hard to implement and some videos are even unrealistic. In this video, I'm going to share one super powerful tip that most new YouTube creators miss that will help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers much faster. Hello everyone, I'm Bilal Sharif. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about how to grow your YouTube channel and other YouTube related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are seeing value in this video, make sure you are giving it a thumbs up. Don't skip this video, watch this video till the end. I'm sure that this tip will help you gain your first 1000 subscribers much faster. So let's get started. Even when I started my YouTube channel, I used to go and watch other videos on YouTube on how to get your first 1000 subscribers. I observed that those videos talking about things like use proper DSLR camera, lightings, upload videos on daily basis, be patient for months and years to get your first 1000 subscribers. Hey, we are in 2022, nobody loves to wait. We expect the results immediately and the tip I'm going to share now will help you get your results immediately. I'm going to show you how you can gain subscribers using in-feed video ads. To create in-feed video ads, you need to have Google AdSense account, and I'm not going to bore you by showing you steps on how you can sign up for Google AdSense. It's very simple and I'm sure that my subscribers are very smart. Once you create Google AdSense account, it will land up on this page. Here, click on the blue button, new campaign, and let's begin setting up this campaign. Please pay very close attention to each step so that you won't miss anything important. First step, click on create campaign without a goal guidance. Then you have to select campaign type. We are going to promote YouTube videos, so we have to select video here. Here you have to select custom video campaign and click continue. It will take you to this page. Here you have to write campaign name. In my case, I will write Incredible India series. If you are not aware, I have been making videos on best places of India as part of Incredible India series playlist in my channel. If you are someone new to my channel, you can find the links in the description of this video. In bid strategy, I recommend you to select maximum CVP, that is cost per view. The best part here is when someone watches your video through ads, you will pay for it when someone watches at least 30 seconds of your video. Next, budget and dates. Here you have to enter the budget amount. Say if I want to spend 1000 rupees to promote my YouTube video, then I have to enter 1000 here. Then you have to select start date and end date for your ad. Say if I want to run my ad between 26th April to 27th April, these 2 days, then I can do that. You can see the campaign estimates on the right hand side. It will show you the number of impressions it can create. Next, we have networks. Network is nothing but where you want to show your ads. I recommend you to select all these three options: YouTube search results, YouTube videos, YouTube partner on the display network as well. Next, you have to select locations to target. Say if you are making videos in Tamil language, of course you can select Tamil Nadu as a target location. And if you are making videos in Hindi, then of course you can select India. If you are making videos in English and you want to target global audience, of course you can do that. You can select all countries so that your ads will be shown across all countries. Then you have language. If I am making videos in English, I can give English. If you are making videos in Tamil, of course you can just put a filter and you can select Tamil. Your campaign estimates will get refreshed automatically based on your settings. Next, you have to select inventory type and you don't have to worry much about that. Select the standard inventory. Next, we have excluded types and labels. Say if someone is watching live videos on YouTube, I don't want my ad to get displayed there. Of course, I can do that by selecting live streaming videos in this excluded types and labels. Then we have related videos. Say if I'm promoting episode 17 of Incredible India series, I can add episode 15 and 16 in related videos. I'll show you how you can do that. You have to just copy the link of the video and paste it here. And you can see the example of your related videos on YouTube on the right hand side. This is how it will look like. Then you have to type at group name. I'm giving same Incredible India series here. Next, you have demographics. Here you have gender, age, household income, parental status. So if you want to target people between 25 to 34 years of age, of course you can add those filters here. Next, we have audience segments. Whenever I promote my videos from Incredible India series, I used to select travel and people who are interested to travel in India, and those people who are interested to travel in Delhi, Chandigarh, Shimla. If I'm sharing videos related to Jaipur, I'll be selecting people who are interested in Jaipur. You will find those options here. If I'm promoting law videos, then in audience segment, I will type Indian laws and I will select it so that it will be recommended to those audience who are interested in Indian laws. Next, you can select this, reach more people who are similar to your selected audience. Next, we have keywords. To give an example, a few days back, I made a video on Minar, Hyderabad as part of Incredible India series. While promoting that video in keyword section, I added Minar, Hyderabad. What will happen is, when someone searches for Minar, Hyderabad in YouTube, my video ad will be recommended there. I don't recommend you to add keywords because it creates very less impressions. Next, we have bidding. Maximum CVP bid I have given 0.25 paise, which means I am ready to pay 25 paise whenever someone watches my video through ads. Next, we have top content bid adjustment. Here I have given 30%, which means 0.25 paise will become 0.33. Next, we have create your video ads. This is the place where you will share the link of the video which you want to promote. Just to show an example, I pasted Amber Fort video link. Here you have to select in-feed video ad. That's very important. It will show you how your in-feed video ad will look like on the right hand side. Then you can select a thumbnail for it. Then in headline section, you can add a headline, you can add a description 1, description 2, and again you can give an ad name. After filling all these details, you can see an example of how your ad will look like in real time. That's it guys, you have to click create campaign and your ad will be sent for approval. If it does not violate community guidelines, then be sure that it will be approved in 24 hours. Once your video is approved, then your video will be recommended to a larger group of audience based on your filter. And you can get easily 1000 subscribers within a week. If you are someone new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends and family members. This is Bilal Sharif signing out until we meet again with a new video.